Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Unwana Udoh, and every week I share content on how to help you master your personal finance and also grow your wealth. So thank you very much for being here. I just wanted to thank all my subscribers and all my new subscribers. We just officially crossed 70,000 views on my channel. So I thank you all very much and I appreciate you all. And thank you, thank you, thank you. So today's video, before we get started, I just want to give a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, nor am I a tax professional. Everything I share on YouTube is for entertainment purpose. So make sure you do your due diligence before you embark on any things you see on my videos. So thank you very much. So now that we have that out of the way. So today, my topic basically is on how the process of attaining financial stability in your life. So I don't claim to be wealthy or in any respect. I'm still on my journey, and if you want to check my channel, I do have videos on that I made on my whole process of my journey on getting to where I need to be financially. So make sure you check my channel for those videos. So basically the topic today is on how you can become financially stable. Now, there are lots of videos out there that talk about financial freedom, being financially independent. Yes, that's great, but most times you don't really get the full detail on what it actually takes to become financially secure or financially stable. So in this video, I'm going to dive into what I have learned along the way and strategies that I'm implementing in my life today to get me to that particular spot. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to invest in yourself. I'm sure you hear this all the time. All right. No matter where you are right now, you want to make sure that you invest in yourself. And when I say invest in yourself, you want to invest in the type of books you read. You want to invest in the type of things you watch. You want to invest in the type of people you have around you, because the more negative people you have around you, the more negative things that you read, it affects you mentally and your subconscious. So you want to make sure that you invest in yourself. If it means going to seminars, if it means signing up for an online course, if it means studying how to, learning a new skill, all right, you have to invest in yourself. You have to spend that time investing in yourself. Most times we go on YouTube and we see all these people who are already accomplished on YouTube and professionally, and they have all these subscribers, and we keep wondering, wow, where did they come from? You know what? They spent time, they put in the effort, all right, to get where they are today. So you can't just go on YouTube and see someone, and then you think, oh my God, I can just get it overnight. It doesn't work out overnight, all right? So there's nothing like an overnight success. It all takes discipline. It all takes commitment, all right? When I started this YouTube channel last year, just before the health crisis, or during the health crisis actually, and at that time I only had maybe 15 subscribers. But you know what? I wasn't doing it for subscribers. I was doing it just to share content. And those things, all the videos that I have created and have posted, I also go back and watch them, because whenever I feel myself drifting away from certain things, those videos pull me back in and go, okay, they serve to remind me of why I'm on this journey, all right, on this financial journey, or on this freedom journey. Okay, so these videos also help me as well. Okay, they keep me on track. So the first thing you want to do is invest in yourself. So I have invested a lot of money in seminars, in conferences. Last year, February, I was in Las Vegas for the 10X conference by Grant Cardone. And that was an amazing event. I know he's a controversial figure, but you know what? He has some very great things that he's actually, taught people. He's helped a lot of people, achieve their goals. So, I had to spend money on tickets to get to the event, on airplane, on hotel, on food, on transportation. I mean, those are all considered business expense. All right. Don't get me wrong, you have to make sure that you document all your expenses, but that was investing in myself. Yeah, I had to spend money on tickets and all that stuff to go to that event, which was amazing. There were 12,500 people, and that was back in February, just before the pandemic hit. And it was just crazy. You get to network with people. All right. So you want to make sure, number one, you invest in yourself. Number two, you keep seeing things on having multiple streams of income. In today's economy, you have to start a business. I mean, I can't stress that enough, all right? We found that out with what happened last year with the health crisis. Businesses had to shut down. People had no sources of income. But guess what? People on YouTube that had a YouTube business were still crushing it. Okay, they were making so much money because the people now resorted to online. All right, everybody was home, everybody was stuck in their home. So what do? You go to YouTube to watch videos and stuff. And if you have a YouTube channel and you monetize the channel, you get ads revenue. So you can make money through affiliate products or links that you have in your video description. Like if you look down in my video description, I have links in there to different resources that can help you either grow your wealth or help you with your business, etc. And if you click on those links and you make a purchase, it doesn't cost you extra, but I get a commission, or I get a piece of whatever product you end up with. Okay, so you have to start a business. So it doesn't matter if you go into affiliate marketing, or you start a blogging, or you even start your own YouTube channel. Remember, it takes time to build your business. It takes time to build your YouTube channel. If you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, there is a learning curve that you have to go through. So you want to make sure you start your own business, even if it's an offline business, if it's a service business, if it's cleaning homes, if it's washing cars. There are people making money from mobile car washing business. All right, they come to your house, they have all the equipment, they wash down your car, and you have to pay them. All right. So you have to make sure that you start a business, because you cannot rely on one source of income. All right. Which is the mistake that most people make. You can't rely on one source of income. So you have to start a business. So number one, you have to invest in yourself. Number two, you want to start a business so you have extra revenue, extra streams of income coming in every single month, which you can now invest in assets, not liabilities. Okay. You invest in assets, all right, that generate more income for you. So before you know it, you have all these streams, all these sources of income coming in, and that will help catapult you to your financial stability, or financially, you become financially stable. All right. And then you can do more good for society and for your family, etc. Number three, you want to learn a valuable skill. And when I say learn a valuable skill, it goes hand in hand with starting a business. So, for instance, a few years back, I was looking for ways of getting on the online space, because I understand that you can only work physically you only have so many hours in a day. Apart from, you have to sleep, you have to eat, you have to spend time with family, you have to go to work, you have to do all those things, you have to find time for the gym, so you only have 24 hours in a day. All right. And when you spend 8 hours at your job every single day, so let's assume you're doing 40 hours a week, what do you do with the rest of your time? You can use that time to learn a valuable skill. So in my case, I decided to learn digital marketing and social media marketing, which led me to start a digital agency, okay, which I'm still growing. I have a few clients that I've helped them with their designing, their website, helping them with Facebook ads, etc., etc. So learn a skill. Now, the skill set I have now, I'm applying it to my digital marketing agency, and I'm also applying it to my business, because I can now apply that, the skills that I have learned to get traffic to my website, to get traffic to my offers, to get traffic to my affiliate links, etc. So you want to learn a valuable skill, such as you can learn how graphic design, you can become a content writer. I mean, the options are endless. okay, on what skills you can learn. All right. If you like bookkeeping, you can learn, a bookkeeping skill where you can, market yourself to local businesses that need a bookkeeper. All right. So don't put yourself in a box. Okay. Don't put yourself, into a pigeonhole where all you know is your job and that's it. Learn another skill because you can monetize that skill and have more sources of income coming in for you. It might just be a couple hours a week, but at least you're doing something. All right. So this is my plan, and this is this journey that I have been on, and I'm just sharing information on things that I'm doing. Believe me, I'm not perfect. I'm still struggling. I'm still getting there. Life is a journey. It is a marathon, not a sprint. So it doesn't matter. Like I always say, there's someone that I really admire because at one point in time I used to work for KFC as a manager, and the story around Colonel Sanders. I mean, he was retired. He was in his 60s when he started KFC. And most people don't even know that, okay? He started KFC when he was in his 60s, and he ended up being a millionaire. So you can't look at where you are today and beat yourself up and feel dejected that, you know what, I'm in my 50s and I'll never give up until I achieve my goals. Now, if I never achieve my goal, but I will know that at least I gave it my all. I tried my best to get there. And even if you fall short, that's okay. That is life. Sometimes life throws you, things that you're not expecting. But if you put in the time, you give yourself a chance, okay? You will actually make luck be on your side. All right. So I have spent lots of times creating videos, writing scripts, editing my video, and doing all this stuff because you have to go through the learning phase. All right. And currently, the channel is growing, but please, if you like my content, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified when I have some great videos coming out, because I'm going to start getting some help now because I have so many contents that I need to make, and I really don't have the time to keep pumping out videos. But every single week I pump out at least 3 videos, okay, because I'm very passionate about helping people master their personal finance and grow wealth. So thank you very much for coming on this journey with me, and please make sure there'll be 2 videos coming up now. Make sure you click on any one of those videos. They contain information that I think you'll find valuable. So thank you very much to all my subscribers. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, now's the time to smash that subscribe button for me, please. And share this video with people who might need help right now, because there's a lot of unhappiness. There's a lot of turmoil going on right now in the world. And it's just nice to be able to, share some information with people that can change someone's life. So I'm still a student. I'm still learning, and I'm on the journey. And I thank you for coming on this journey with me. And hopefully you won't just sit on the sideline. You will jump in as well. Start your own YouTube channel. Leave your comments below. If you need help starting your YouTube channel, I've learned a few things that I can actually share with you. So that's my 2 cents today. So thank you very much. And I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.